Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation this word, meaning double in Italian. When you are in Italy, for anything that is double, you may want to use this word. If you want a double scoop of vanilla ice cream with your gelato, well, you may want to use it. It is often associated, especially outside of Italy, with a double espresso coffee, of course, in particular. How do you go about pronouncing it? Doppio. You do want to stress on the first syllable and insist a little bit on the double P because there is a double P and it matters in Italian. Doppio. Doppio espresso, for example. Doppio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce many useful words from Italian as well as many names of dishes and traditional recipes from Italian cuisine. See you there to learn more. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.